This is a deadly little package right here. Damn, this gun is sexy. This is the sexiest damn gun they make. Welcome back, guys. My name's Leverboy, and I specialize in exclusive Mini 14 content. So make sure to like and subscribe if you want to see more of this beautiful weapon. I love this gun. Today I want to talk about Mini 14 barrel stabilizers. The one that you have seen on my Mini 14 up until this point was a stabilizer from Accu-strut, and it was the SOCOM version of it. And the way it ended up attaching to the Mini 14 is right here on the end of the gas block, you had a screw in the middle, and that stabilizer had 2 screws on each side of it. Basically, you lined it up and you screwed in the screws on each side of that stabilizer, and that's how it attached to the gas block. Also, with that Accu-strut in particular, it was all made out of steel. So even though it was kind of small, now I have the 16-inch version barrel, I'm already rocking a short Mini 14. So I needed a short stabilizer to give the right look. And that's basically what I was after when I bought that. Didn't really care about performance or anything like that. I love the M14, and adding that stabilizer gives a Mini 14 the same look. So that's what I was after. So the Accu-strut was really small, but it had weight to it. It was a solid piece of steel, and it added weight to the gun. That's probably the only con that I ever found with that strut, is that it was just kind of needlessly heavy. But I thought that's how they all came, and that's how they were supposed to be. Well, there's another company called Accuracy Systems.
Do you need some help? I can help you.
No, shut up. Having trouble with this word. Accuracy.
You sure you don't want no help?
There's another company called Accuracy Systems, and they too make a stabilizer, but their version of it is made out of really strong aluminum, and it does the same job as one that was made out of steel. Let's backtrack just for a moment. What a barrel stabilizer is supposed to do for a gun is stabilize the end of the barrel when it gets shot. We can't ever tell because it's moving too fast, but every time a bullet leaves a barrel, the barrel wiggles a tiny bit. So you can imagine if you shoot rapid shots out of a gun and you're getting a lot of wiggle in the barrel, your shots are gonna deviate from their intended place they're supposed to hit. So the stabilizer attaches to the top of the barrel just like you see right there, and basically stops that wiggle from happening. Part of the reason I got the 16-inch version of the Mini 14, basically the carbine version, for one, the main one is I find them just to be a lot more handy and packable, being a shorter barrel. But two is that because this is a shorter barrel, you have less material to wiggle when you shoot. So I don't think you've ever gotten too much wiggle out of the 16-inch versions of the Mini 14. And that's a benefit that I've always liked. Nevertheless, I wanted the stabilizer basically for looks, like I said before. I got that Accu-strut stabilizer and attached it to the gun. Even on Accu-strut's website, they tell you that the strut basically is there for aesthetic looks. It's not gonna do too much for the accuracy. And I never even knew how much it was doing because I didn't test shoot my Mini 14 when I first got it without the Accu-strut. Come on! I never knew if it was doing very much at all or not. But like I said, I strictly got it because for looks. If you guys are liking my content, please make sure to join my email list. Just send me your email. You can find me at leverboyluke@gmail.com. I'll put you on my email list and I'll send out every one of my new videos straight to you when I release them. YouTube doesn't always send out all my content, so since I'm doing this full time now, I want all of you to have or know when I release a video. So Enter Accuracy Systems. They also make a strut for the gun, but they make theirs out of aluminum, so it's not nearly as heavy as the one I had on there. They have 3 different versions of the stabilizer itself, all coming in different lengths. The shortest one that they had was the same length as my original one that I had on the Mini. This that you see right here is a different strut. This is their medium-sized one, which runs just a little bit further out than mine that I had on here originally before. Then they have an even longer version that is for, you know, your full-length Mini 14s. Other than this one being made out of aluminum and it being just a little bit longer than the original one that I had, the way this stabilizer locks into the gun is different. The gas block that you see right here is not the factory gas block. This gas block is the adjustable gas block 2 from Accuracy Systems. Now, this one comes not only with the ability to adjust the gas, but it also comes with a thread that attaches the stabilizer. So this stabilizer now screws in to this gas block, giving you a much tighter lockup than the strut I had on before, where it just kind of screws in on each side of the stabilizer and the gas block. I much prefer this version of the stabilizer, mainly because of its lightweightness, okay? It's still giving me the aesthetic look that I like so much that the M14 came from, but it's giving it to me in a much lighter package. I like this version, and I may down the road get the shorter stabilizer to match the length of my old one that I had on the gun, but I think right now this one is doing a very good job as far as looking good and making the gun a little bit lighter. Now, the elephant in the room right now is that you're seeing a new attachment on top of this gun. I've added the Samson Hannibal rail on top of here, okay? I'm gonna make a separate video about this rail, but my first impressions of it are extremely positive. This thing is making the rifle so much better than that standard plastic guard that I had on top. I know these rails come with a couple cons. We'll get to that when I make a video about it, but there's no con about this rail mount that keeps it from staying off the rifle. If that makes sense. Meaning this rail is gonna stay on the gun because I like it that much. As you've also noticed probably, I've slapped on a thermal optic on this Mini 14. We're turning this baby into a nighttime hog slayer. We're gonna make some future videos about some thermal Mini 14 action. I don't know why, but when the Mini is in this configuration, it makes me think of Terminator 2. Put in the comments why I'm thinking about Terminator 2 when I see this gun.
Do you need some help? I can help you.
No, shut up. Damn, this gun is sexy. This is a deadly little package right here. Okay, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short video on explaining some of these stabilizers. If y'all want to know more about this stock, I got a video link right here for you. Or if you want to know about the other older stock that I had on the Mini 14, I got a review right here for you. Mini 14s are awesome. Fight me.